The LG Air Purification Kit for cassettes has 5-step filtration that maintains optimal air quality. The pre-filter first removes large dust particles from the air with 2.5 times more efficiency. In the next stage, fine dust is charged with negative ions, and the electrostatic dust filter further removes the charged ultrafine dust from the air. The deodorization filter then eliminates odors and harmful gases. Finally, the ionizer removes bacteria and viruses for perfectly purified air.